Hi, loves. Just want to do a quick follow up with you. I did do the uh, Barbie set press on nails that I thought would be appropriate for my 5-year-old niece Barbie themed birthday party. So I did install those and wore them for her party, and they were a hit. What I did do was I altered the length of the nail. They were a little bit longer and they were almond shaped, but I wanted them to be party friendly and play friendly. So I did file them down just a tap and I reshaped them into more of a oval square. See that? Yeah. That's what's so great about press on nails, right? Because they're already pre-designed. You're selecting nails that basically cater to your style and your taste. But the options you have, if you get through really long nails and that's not really your thing, but you like the design, you should still go for it because you can always file them down, especially the nice high quality ones that are made really well and made with acrylic or made with a gel nail, so they're gonna take the filing and editing that you would do with maybe a nail clipper and a file. And so these held up really great. The shape is good. I could have even made them shorter and re-almond the tips if I wanted to, but I decided to go with this look instead, and they turn out so cute. So yes, I love this design. But I admit I will be taking these off after wearing them for a week because it's fall. And I want to wear some fall colors and also get ready for the 2 holidays we have coming up. And so yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And again, love press on nails. I am a Nelly press on girl. I love the advancement and the technology of how far press on nails have come, and I'm here for it. I'm here to stay. I love it, and I love to change them up as often as I want. And so, if you are into the press on nails, just know that you can change the shape. You can change, the length if you want. Go for it. All right. Thanks so much. Again, I hope you have enjoyed today's content. Please like, subscribe, comment if you will. I read the comments. And also, come back and see me again. I'm enjoying your company, so I hope we meet again. Thanks again. And remember to love on yourself because you deserve it. All right. Thanks.